They say the road less traveled. This platform is the end of the trail. No, so practically we're on the last portion of the Taroko National Park, facing the Pacific Ocean. Tingnan mo yung view ng dagat dito. So pristine. Walang naliligo kasi yung tourist dito kami lang ata. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones here. Tingnan mo yung coastal side. Wow, galing-galing. The other side also of Taroko National Park. Yan, inakyat namin yan kanina, no, driving. That very tall na mountain. Ang daming butas, daming mga tunnels. This is yung view ng dagat. Ang ganda. What can you say, Mai?
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Going up.
So this one yung portion pataas to. No, ang daming warnings. Baka may mga ahas daw, poisonous snakes. So you go down at your own risk. And nakalagay dito, this is the last platform for tourists. No, end of the trail daw talaga. This is a Chinese warning here. No. Maya, wave ka.
Hi.
So what's your experience here so far?
A breeze going down.
Oh, there's a person, oh, na naka-black, hindi natin napansin, with this dog. Ano, napansin niyo, nakita? He is practicing, baka Kung Fu master to. No? Or the Wushu master. Okay, very nice. Very nice na experience seeing this wonderful na destination. This is in the southeastern part of the island of Taiwan. Ito na yung rural side nila. So we'll be driving on the southeast to western part. Now we'll be driving from Taipei going to Kaohsiung. From end to end, it's measured exactly 395.33 kilometers. Okay, very nice.